To download the Bank of America app, start by accessing the App Store on your mobile device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. And for Android users, it is Google Play. Open the App Store and use the search function to find the Bank of America app. Type in Bank of America and select the app from the search results. Once you have located the app, click the download or install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or facial recognition to authenticate the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. After the app has been installed, open it and click the Get Started button. You will be prompted to sign in with your online banking credentials, including your username and password. If you do not have online banking credentials, you can enroll in the app by clicking the Enroll button and following the prompts. Once you have signed in, you will have access to a variety of features and services, including account balances, transaction history, and bill pay. You can also use the app to deposit checks, transfer money, and pay bills. Take a few minutes to explore the app and familiarize yourself with its features and functionality. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also keep your device and the app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely download and use the Bank of America app.